Welcome back. In this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy A36. So this is the A36, this is how it looks like on the box. And so all we need to do is just open it up. So I got this A36 in the awesome black cover. It's also a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. So let's just open up the box. And then the first thing that you see when you remove the top cover is the phone itself. So this is the awesome black cover, and you'll even notice that the build is different from last year's. Last year's had more of a plastic cover. This year they've decided to use a sort of glass, so it looks more smoother and it's actually more reflective. And you can even see there's a change in the camera bump. So awesome black color. And then at the top box you have this smaller box here. And when you remove it, you'll see the SIM ejector tool. And when you open it up, then you have the charging cable, which is a standard Type-C to Type-C cable in white. And then the only other thing in here is the paperwork. So the quick start guide. So let's just return that back inside there. So cable, box, and the actual phone itself. So let's just remove this top cover so that we can see the screen of the phone. And there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you want to watch any more videos about this phone, I'll be doing some tutorials. So subscribe so that you can get notified whenever we release a video about the Samsung Galaxy A36. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.